Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Ananya, and in today's video I am going to be doing a soft glam Valentine's Day look using the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable collection. I've been meaning to try out these products for so long now, but this was just like way too perfect for Valentine's Day, so I've been saving to record this. I'm going to be using the cream blush, the liquid eyeshadow, and the new balm that came out. So I actually recorded this whole video where I had this look, and then I also did a graphic liner look, and it did not work out, so I had to kind of redo this, but I think I talk about that later. So if you like what you see so far, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and also hit that like button down below. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on when I post my next video. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. To start off, I'm going to be using the JLo moisturizer. This is that Blockbuster. I haven't used it since like the day I shot that video, so I want to give it a try again. After I recorded that video that day, I was like, what does this smell like? What does this smell like? And now I know. It smells like Pond's. Like Pond's the cream. I don't know if it has the same scent as a powder, because I think the powder that I use for Pond's is like orange, or like it's scented differently, but this literally smells like Pond's, which I really like the scent of, but I do not like fragrance in my moisturizer. So since my birthday, I've had a lot of cake, like a lot of cheesecake and like tiramisu cake, and that's like literally the reason why I'm breaking out. So I'm like waiting to finish this cake and hoping that my skin gets better sooner or later. So to start off, I'm going to be going in with my Becca Backlight Primer. This has a really nice soft glow that's gonna look beautiful on Valentine's Day. I'm focusing this on the highest points of my cheekbones and then blending it out. So for my foundation today, I want to go for something light and dewy. So I'm going to be mixing my Fit Me Dewy Skin from Maybelline and my Hello Flawless from Benefit both together. You don't have to use two different foundations. If you have a dewy one that you really like, you can go for it. I just mixed these two because the dewy one from Maybelline is a little bit darker for me, and the Benefit one is a little bit lighter for me, so I'm just trying to balance out the colors. So since I started my YouTube channel, I've been in and out of Sephora so I can try out new things. I can try and see what's popular and, you know, and use different products for my videos. But I would love to hear some recommendations from you guys on what you want to try, what you want to see. So either I can go purchase them, or if I have them, I can like start using it. There are a lot of new products coming out, so it's always fun to do some reviews and stuff, but at the same time, like the products that I'm using right now, like the Fit Me one and the Benefit one, they are like OG products. They've been there for so long, and I honestly really like them, and sometimes I like sticking to the older ones as well. So if there are ones that, you know, you guys have wanted to use or know how to use, and obviously nobody really makes videos using them anymore, then definitely let me know. Like I miss the NARS Luminous foundation, the Sheer Glow. I haven't used that one in a while, so I'm trying to go back to the old stuff. So sticking with the whole Maybelline vibe, I'm going to go in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer and just focus it right underneath my eye, the darkest spots, and just use it to lift my eye a little bit. So since we're focusing a lot on the creams and liquids, especially from the Rare Beauty collection, I wanted to go in with a cream bronzer that I've had for a pretty long time, which is from ColourPop. And I'm going to use that before I go in with my powder. So before going into any of the powders, I wanted to use the Rare Beauty new Stay Vulnerable collection. And the first thing I have over here is their Nearly Mauve Melting Blush. This is a cream blush. I'll just show you how it looks. This packaging is like the cutest little thing ever. It looks like this. I actually tried it on once before. So I'm going to just tap it in with my brush and go for it at the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to also just take some on the back of my beauty blender and just blend it in. I think the first time I used their blush, it was very, very, very pigmented. And this is a lot softer and it's really easy to blend. So if you're into cream blushes, this one definitely check it out. I kind of like this more than the first one because it's more subtle, it's easier to blend, especially with my beauty blender. It just like sinks into my skin really nicely, so I really like it, and the packaging is really, really cute. So now let's quickly set the concealer, the blush, and the bronzer. I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder and just setting the bottom of my eyes. I'm going to go in with my Fenty bronzer and just set that really quickly. For my complexion, my focus is going to be on the blush, so I'm not applying too much of the bronzer. I'm using a very light hand. I'm going to use a smaller brush to contour my nose. I'm going to go in with my Tarte blush in Parte and just slightly tap over this cream blush. I think this cream blush almost turns into a bit more of a powdery finish, so you don't really need to set it if you don't want to, but since this is more of a going out kind of look, I will be setting it. For my highlight, I'm going in with my Super Shock Cheek highlight in the shade Wisp and focusing it right on the toppest part of my cheekbones. Again, you don't need to set this at all, but I just have this out, so I'm going to. This is the ColourPop Duo Highlight and Blush Palette. Just gives it a bit more of an I'm just going to spray my whole face with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so now time to focus on the eyes. Going in with the whole Rare Beauty vibe as well, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows first. go in with the back and just blend it all out. So going in with the back, I'm just going to add some more color and just blend everything out. I always like going in with another spoolie just to really blend it out with no product at all. Okay, now for the eyeshadow. I'm very excited to try this out. This is the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow, again in Nearly Mauve. So it is the same color tone as the blush. I got them both together just so everything kind of can match. So this is the first time I'm using this. It's almost like a first impressions. I love the packaging. It is straight on one side and curved on the other side. It's a really cute baby pink color. Whoa. And the applicator looks something like this. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. And we're going to see how that goes. To blend this out, I'm taking a clear duo fiber brush, just so it's easier to blend. Okay, so this is the first application. I really like that it's very light and I can build it up as it goes. It was pretty easy to blend out. And I'm going to put on another coat because I want it to be a bit more pigmented. So I'm going to go in with this brush and really just buff it out from my lid and also bring it up to my crease. I'm also going to pull it out a bit. Like really easy to use. I'm like very impressed. I didn't really have to work hard with it. As you can see, I'm literally using like the lightest hand to blend everything out, and it's really easy to move around. And I have had some pretty bad experiences with some liquid eyeshadow, so I'm really happy with this. Damn, Rare Beauty doing such an amazing job with every new product release. These are amazing. Okay guys, welcome back. So I just tried on a whole look with this NYX white liquid liner. I really wanted to try something that was like edgy and make this whole soft glam look into a edgy graphic liner look, and it did not work out. This product is super drying, so it's not something that's easily blendable at all, and once you put it on, it kind of crackles as well, so I had to keep going over it, which was not particularly fun. If I had a white gel liner, I would have totally used that and made that look a lot better, because it's just like drawing, but this product was just not it. I used this last for my Halloween look, and that was so much easier just because I just had to pull a line. Over here, I'm trying to really create a seamless look where I'm blending in the liner with the top liner, and this is not the easiest to blend with. So once I put all of that on, I took all of that off, and I just reapplied the Rare Beauty eyeshadow and just added some mascara. You can definitely go in with false lashes. I probably would with something that's more fluttery and flirty. You can also use some individual lashes and just apply them on the edge. So I'm just going to curl them. So you can see I used the Kush mascara from Milk. This looks fluttery enough for now. Another thing that I realized was I've been using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it's really been clumping up my lashes. So I'm going to avoid using that, and I don't think I'm going to be using that anymore. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I'm going to get some new mascaras and hopefully try it on for you guys. I'm going to actually go back in with the blush, and I'm going to take a soft duo fiber brush so I can do my lower lash line. I'm just adding that down here, and I'm going to blend it out. And I'm also going to connect it to the top. I'm going to use a fluffy brush like this, but that's still small, just to blend all of that together. And now for the fun part, which is the last product from Rare Beauty from the Stay Vulnerable collection. This is also called Nearly Mauve, and this is a balm. And I was a little bit iffy about this. I was a lot more excited for these two products right here, which was the blush and the liquid eyeshadow, just because I'm so used to mattes. And even if I don't want a super drying matte look, I will still use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So it's comfortable on the lips, but it's still matte. Balms are just, it's not something that I go for that often. So I'm kind of excited to try this, kind of nervous. The entire collection is the Nearly Mauve, that's what it's called. The colors vary a little bit between the eyeshadow and the lip balm. This is a little bit more pinkish purple, and this is a bit more muted pink. The packaging is similar. It has one flat side and the other side is round. And it is super, super lightweight. So balms, just in my head, sound a little bit thicker and gooey, I guess, but this is really light. And as you can see, the applicator, it has that hole in the middle that helps the product come out, so there's enough product that comes out, and it's also very thin. Another thing that I really like about this is that this applicator has a very thin tip. So this is really easy to kind of line my lips with, and it's not too thick where I need a mirror to apply it as well. So this is the final look, you guys. You can definitely add some fluttery lashes if you want, but I really enjoyed all three of the products from the Rare Beauty collection. I think these are stunning for Valentine's Day, and definitely check them out. If you guys like this video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button as well. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy and have an amazing Valentine's Day.